What's up, you all people? I am back with another awesome Mafia City video, and finally guys, it's time for stats update. The last video on my stats update I uploaded on 5 July, so it's already 1 month. So we are going to take a look at my stats, how much I have improved, what I done to improve that, did I complete my goal from last time. So that will be in this video guys. A lot of things I have changed in my stats, a lot of things has been improved, and this is the thing guys, we do every month. We make some goal every month and then try to complete this in 1 month. And honestly guys, this is the kind of thing that is motivating me for a long time to increase my stats. Without this I don't think I will have improved this much, but this thing keeps me moving. So let's take a look at my stats. But before we move any further, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos. Giveaway is continuing guys, make sure to participate in that giveaway. All you need to do is to be a subscriber of this channel and comment below in the video. Now guys, without any waiting, I'm just quickly going to show you my stats. Let's quickly go in real estate event. So here we are. Let's take a look at my stats. So I have 432% bulker attack, bulker defense is 400%, 133% bulker health. Ignore the biker guys. Now let's take a look at shooter. Shooter I have 727%, shooter attack, shooter defense is 496%, shooter health is 138%, and shooter damage guys is 98%. So these are my current stats, and if you will take a look at them, you can see a big change that I have a new vigilante that I'm using, that is going to be Connor with Izumi. So if we are going to talk about my stats without Connor, let's take a look. As you can see, 433% bulker attack, 401% bulker defense, health 133%, shooter attack is guys 758%, defense is 496%, health is 138%, and damage is 88%. So these are my stats without my new vigilante. I think it's finally time for me to change vigilante. Ethan is good guys, it's going to give me a lot of shooter attack. It will be very helpful for me to reach 800% shooter attack, but right now guys, for me I think other things are more important, and that will be my shooter damage. So I've been collecting cards for vigilante or vigilante fragment. You can finally I have enough for make Connor 3 stars. So here we are. 98% shooter damage is guys quite good for 700% shooter attack. I will try to get this to 100%. Collecting jewelry card for Babe. If we are going to talk about our goal in my previous video, my goal was to get bulker defense 400% and shooter defense 500%. But if you will take a look at this, you can see that my shooter defense is 496%, but guys my shooter defense is 500% plus guys. Now you are going to ask me why. Now I'm going to show you good. So as you can see, I have a debuff that is going to decrease my crew defense by 5%. So that's why I have shooter defense at 496%. Now don't ask me why I have this debuff, because I have already explained this so many times. It's just fun guys, it's just fun. This is all with 20% buff, attack buff and defense buff guys. No crime operation buff. So these are my stats. As you can see, big changes guys. I try to get more shooter damage because shooter damage is very important. I still think it's not quite good shooter damage. I need to get it at least 120% or something to be good enough, but I'm trying to do this right now guys. It's very hard to increase damage, as you already know. This is the first time I have completed my goal what I put for me in my previous video. So 500% shooter defense was my goal and 400% bulker defense was my goal. So I have completed this and I'm finally really happy. That was really awesome guys to complete my goal first time. Before guys, I put very big goal. That's why guys I was not able to complete them. I was trying to think that I'm going to increase my bulker health by 20%. I'm going to increase my shooter defense by 20%. That's not going to possible in 1 month. It was really easy for me to increase my shooter attack when I just start playing shooter. I've done so many things already guys, so it's hard to find new things to increase my stats. So that's why guys the progress is getting slower, so I need to be smart when I'm making my goal. So what I really did to achieve these kind of stats. So now guys, let's talk about this. If we are going to talk about vigilante, I already explained you I was saving a lot of fragments for this for a long time, and finally I have enough for this to make him 3 star. So here we go. And guys, Connor is going to be useful for me in my biker stats. So if I'm going to play biker, Connor is also going to give me 10% charge damage. So Connor is really good for both biker and shooter. That's why I wanted to make him 3 star for a long time. Now guys, of other things, let's quickly go in Babes. So here you can see that I have this skill at 4 Now I want to make this skill at 5. Jewelry card I have 1587. I need somewhere near 2000 to make complete this whole bar. So I'm waiting for this, and I'm waiting for the jewelry card event where I can get some bonus from this. So this will guys also is going to help me to increase, and I think last time it was on level 3 and I made it at level 4. So that's also helped me to increase my damage. So this is the first thing that I did to increase my damage. Now guys, let's take a look at my hitman investment. So hitman investment guys, we are finally here. With this guys, I'm going to increase my bulker health by 7% and shooter health by 7%, as you can see on the screen. I think next month probably I'm going to complete this one thing with bulker and I will be on shooter, because hitman investment taking a lot of time and I don't really have speed up to speed them all up. And after that month we are going to complete our 7% shooter health. So this is the thing, and guys, I'm really happy with my 500% shooter defense and 400% bulker defense. Now my goal will be guys to get my bulker defense at 500%. Right now I'm not really going to focus on my shooter defense. The goal is to get 500% bulker defense, because guys, bulker defense is very important for a shooter player. So that's what I'm going to do. So that will be one of my goal for my next couple of months. The next thing guys I have done is that I have unlocked SVIP store level 2, and with this I'm going to use this to increase my bulker attack, biker attack, shooter attack, bulker defense, shooter defense. I already activated 2 of them, the one with bulker health and the one with shooter health. Now the rest of them I'm going to complete. That was the thing guys. Apart from couple of normal investment, the biggest change was my damage guys. Really happy about this. So what was your goal guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Did you complete this or not? And if you have any kind of suggestion, you can let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about my goal for the next month. Let's just quickly take a look at my stats. So my goal for the next month will be guys to get my bulker health by 140%, 7% bulker health will be a good goal. The next goal I'm going to put is going to be increasing my shooter damage to 100+%. So these are the 2 goals that I'm going to make for the next month. I'm not going to make something very hard. Other than that, any plus on top of this will be excellent. So that will be my goal for the next month. What your goal will be for the next month, comment below in the video and come back next month to see if you completed your goal or not. We are all in this together. Any suggestion, let me know below in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos and to participate in the giveaway. I'll see you in another one. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.